What if the person sitting across from you knew about a murder and legally could not tell anyone? Not the police, not the victim's family, not the public. They know how it happened. They know when it happened. They may even know where the body is. And yet, they remain silent. What if that silence wasn't corruption, wasn't greed, cowardice, or moral failure, but duty? A duty enforced not by personal loyalty, but by the very foundation of the legal system. Today, we're diving into one of the most uncomfortable corners of the law, a place where justice and morality don't always align. Lawyers who knew their client was a killer and kept the secret. For many people, this idea is deeply unsettling. It feels like betrayal, like complicity, like helping someone get away with the unthinkable. After all, if someone admits to murder, shouldn't the truth come out? Shouldn't the victims' families have answers? Shouldn't justice mean honesty at any cost? But the law doesn't always ask what feels right. It asks what protects everyone. This is not a story about villains in expensive suits or shadowy deals made behind closed doors. It's not about lawyers who lack conscience or who celebrate crime. It's a story about ethics under pressure, about trust that must exist even when it hurts, and about a rule so powerful and so controversial that without it, the justice system as we know it would collapse. That rule is called attorney-client privilege. It is the reason a lawyer can hear a confession and still stand in court arguing for their client's rights. It is the reason defendants can speak freely, without fear of immediate punishment. And it is the reason some truths remain buried. Not because the law doesn't care, but because it cares too much about the consequences of forcing them into the open. To understand why lawyers sometimes keep killers' secrets,